Katanungan naman dito sa koponan ng Philippine Army, their floor defense kasi, hindi talaga makuha, hindi talaga mabuo-buo yan. And we're not blaming solely ito si Angela Nunag. Angela Nunag is doing her best. Yung tulong-tulong nila dun sa likuran, kanina nakita mo, nag-experiment na. Inalis si Dakis, inalis si Balse, hindi pa rin nakatulong. So what's going on?
Siguro kasi hindi na nakukuha sa blocking, Noel.
Right.
Kailangan mo unahin sa blocking ang spikers ng Smart Maynilad dahil nga naman sobrang lalakas na naman talaga.
And makikita natin dito, unang puntos mapupunta sa Philippine Army on that serve. Coming from Nene Bautista, we caught a glimpse earlier of our of the men behind Sports Vision who've put this together for the last 10 years. Moing Martelino, Ricky Palu, Tony Boyliao, all together there. Here is the attack by Roses. Dakis off the hands of Roses. Cassini, uhulog sana. Gonzaga ngayon, bibigay kay Dakis. Dakis across. Roses, Pinok off the block, hindi na maabutan ni Bunag. And Pinok might have hurt her hand that time.
Ang sakit
She's still
daw.
looking at it. Oh, it might have been dislocated thumb or something like that. Tanda na, si Cassini has a knee issue. She actually did not start their last game. Mapipilitan na maglaro tuloy ito si Nika Guliman. And the injury, it looks like she dislocated her finger. So Bianca Saldua will go over there. Alam mo si Bianca, dapat doktor to pero natawa si Bianca. So Pino Cassini will go over to the medics as Eliza Valdez will serve. Hirap yan, nadi-dislocate na dali. Nangyari na ba sa'yo yan? Ooh, Dakis. Never pa na-dislocate yung daliri mo. Dakis. Parang nag-jogging-jogging lang. 2-1 Army. If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Balse. 3-1 Army. Yan na, nakakahiling ginagawa nila eh.
Alam mo, natatawa ako sa mga teams na tumatakbo-takbo kapag nakakapuntos. Kasi hindi tatagal yan hanggang 25, no? Mamaya-maya, titigil na rin yan kasi mapapagod ka talaga. Pagod ka na nga sa laro, pagod ka pa kakatakbo.
Nahilo yata si Balse sa kakatakbo kanina. So now Nika Guliman, who is playing in place now of Pino Cassini, who is being attended to. Makikita nyo in the background of your screens. Mamaya pag-serve yan, no? Nakaupo doon sa gilid si Pino Cassini. They're trying to return her finger to its proper place.
I doubt she will sit this third set out, Noel.
Oo, kailangan lang makuha na ito eh. Going. Ruby. Cotrawang on the push. Balse. Salak sending it to Gonzaga. And going is there again. The ninja at work. Valdez. Salak. Bunag off the hands of Roses.
That was going out.
Now Dakis. Remote control serve. Walang remote control kay Going, ha? Hoy, Cotrawang!
Kita mo, lumilipad nga naman talaga sa taas ng net.
The flying tie.
The higher you jump, the stronger the impact. Kaya nakakapaupo siya kapag nag-landing na.
Cotrawang again. This time, nahanap naman niya yung linya.
Hindi mo naman pwede iwanan yung libero sa likod. Trabaho na yan. Pero 6 din naman kayo sa loob ng court na pwede rin kumuha nun.
And there are very few liberos that I know are as skilled as, say, Melissa Going, a Jen Reyes, or a Jack Jonella. Salak. And Gonzaga, nailusot ulit.
Cotrawang has been delivering for Smart Maynilad in terms of digging and attacking. Matataas ang percentage niya in both areas.
Rexona anti-perspirant deodorant, it won't let you down. Service ace from Jovelyn Gonzaga. Sabi ni Goy, hindi na mangyayari ulit yan.
Kakaisa ka na, hindi ka na makakaulit.
Tignan natin, ha? Gonzaga and Going with a better reception. Cotrawang. Muntik nang matanggal ang ulo ni Jovelyn Gonzaga that time. Cotrawang with a sharp serve. Here's Nene Bautista. Valdez. De Leon. Charo. Cotrawang. Salak. Bautista with the left hand. Ruby. Charo. Going to Eliza. Kept alive by King Balse. Gonzaga. No. It was behind the antenna. 7-6 Smart Maynilad. Micasa's the official ball of the Shakey's V-League. Nene. Turned back there by Ruby. Nene again. Lusot kay Ruby. Former MVP rin yan.
Kailangan lang ng Smart dikitan ang itong Army dahil They're down 1 man.
Right. Now we're tied at 7. So like the first set, eto na naman, di kita na naman tayo. Bunag. Gohing. Running attack, Eliza Valdez. No problem, no blockers. 8-7, Smart Maynila on top. Ano nangyari kay Pinoc Cassini, Bianca Saldua?
Well, Noel, ang nangyari talaga ay na-hyperextend yung right thumb niya. At sabi ng mga medics naman na kaya naman niya na maglaro kung gustong-gusto naman talaga. At sabi niya, no, I want to play. Kahit anong mangyari, I want to play. Kaya, ewan ko na lang kung papayagan ni Coach Roger na maglalaro siya mamaya. So, tignan na lang natin kung makikita pa natin si Cassini. But if ever sa future games nila, it will only take 1 to 2 days na mawala yung swelling. So, siguro in the future games, makikita natin for sure. Back to you guys.
We're tied at 8 right now and we want to take a look at that finger. Kanina si Bianca parang nangingisay nung inaayos yung daliri nitong si Pinoc Cassini. Hyperextended, so it's not a sprain, it's not a pull, it is swelling though. So, eto ngayon si Charo, turn back by Balse. Going to Roses. Salak, iniwan para kay Balse and Balse gets it cross court.
Army na ngayon ang hyper even though they're down by 2 sets. Ito Smart naman, up na nga, tahimik pa.
I don't remember the last time Army was down 0-2 in this tournament.
It's time to wake up for the Philippine Army.
Charo, Salak, going over to Ging, kept alive by the left hook of Melissa Gohing. Valdez turned back. And that's going to be a violation. Double touchdown against Cotruang. So Cotruang very surprised na sa tawag na yun. 10-8 right now in favor of the Philippine Army. Nene Bautista, bagong gupit.
2 points ahead.
Yep. Sue. Salak. Dakis, yes! Again, pag na-late ka ng konti dito kay Dakis at magandang approach niya, asahan mo na lang na magaling sana libero mo. Let's take a look at the Rexona anti-perspirant deodorant. It won't let you down, slow motion replay. Magaling nga yung Gohing pero ang lutong ng tira nitong si Dakis.
Nahuli ang middle blocker ng Smart Maynila.
Right.
Bukas na bukas para kay Rachel Andakis ang palo na yun.
Here's De Leon now. Going over to Valdez off the block. Gonzaga, make that Salak intercepting Gonzaga. Si Dakis hits into the net. It looks like Gonzaga was ready to set that time.
At syempre, aagawang ka ng number ng setter nyo.
Right. 11-9. If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Here's Charo Soriano. And Charo, who had 8 aces in one game, is having a lot of problems sa kanya serve today. That's her third service error.
Tatlo na ang lamang ng Army ngayon. Hindi pwedeng palayuin ito ng Smart Maynila if they want to finish this early.
Here's De Leon right now going over to Roses. Nilusot kay Ging Balse. Former teammates of course at UST nung guest player si Ging Balse or si Sue Roses doon during season 4.
Balse and Dakis na unguna ng atake dito para sa Army. Kaya naman 2 points ahead na sila Noel.
Nice serve there coming from Eliza Valdez. Rachel Ann Dakis. Walang nakahawak. Si Gohing at the last minute na iwas niya yung kamay niya.
Decided out.
Oo. 12-11. 1 point lead for Army. Eliza again. Into the net this time. 13-11.
Service problems.
Oo, ganda rin dyan. Dakis and Valdez, we actually were teammates in the first conference when Dakis was a guest player of Ateneo.
Over ko yun.
Right.
Alam ko yan.
Here is Cotruang off the hands of Gonzaga, and Cotruang sat on Gonzaga's foot. So the point will go to Smart Maynila. Isa na lang hinahabol nila rito.
Malapit yung set ni De Leon na yun.
Oo.
Delikado yun.
Ito muntik na crossing. Ito si Cotruang. Salak. Running attack. Rachel Andakis. And Dakis